the body, the strength of the body is equivalent to the degree that you can hold yourself across your body. When you can't get the pull across, all you've got is an arm, again a leg, a muscle of the bicep, right? You haven't got the shoulder blades, and the shoulder blades will be activated to get the strength across your body when you're pulling the hands apart, when you're pulling across. So that's why I always recommend the hollow body position, the feet together, because it's easy to control the feet first of all when they're together, just to get this, not when you're generally doing chaturanga. The position of the shoulders is roughly over the fingertips slightly, and then you see the shoulder blades are kept apart, right? I've retracted them. And when I protract them, when I'm getting to that point, so you see this a lot, yeah? Then you need to use the knees a bit to keep the shoulder blades apart, right? Because I mean, it is funny to see, but I mean, it's not funny for the person that ends up, really hurting the shoulder, because that will happen, right? A visual that I like to give, and again, I love a metaphor, is looking forward with a spotlight to the chest, or looking forward with the eye of the shoulder. So instead of the eye, imagine you've got an eye of the shoulder, and instead of the eye of the shoulder looking down, or even the head looking down, you want to keep those two eyes of the shoulder and the chest, that spotlight of the chest looking forward as you come down. Right? And the height of the shoulder is roughly the height of the elbow. When the shoulders drop down, the bum goes up. You feel an inordinate amount of pressure in the shoulder, in the end that will cause trouble, I promise.